Hello guys, welcome to Tax 21T video. So the question says, using your web page task21t.htm, make the hyperlink you created to the W3C website open in the same window and the hyperlink to the CIE website open in a new window called _CIE. Okay, so now we're going to, so for this question, I think that this task 21t.htm file or web page they're talking about, I don't think it exists. So I feel like there's a little error here. All right. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to use my activity 21i. Okay. So I'll just go to my activity 21i. I'll copy this. Okay. And then go back to task 21t folder and paste it right there. And then I'll call this task 21t. All right. Now let me open it just to inspect that. So now, if you notice, when you click here, when you click on CIE, it's going to open in the same tab. All right, which is in the same window, right? So but we want to make it so that when you click on it, it is going to open in a different tab and still leave my page for me. All right. So we're going to use an attribute called target, okay, to achieve that. So I will right click and then open this fast. So I'm going to open this using my Notepad++. Okay. Now, so I'm going to go down to where it is using the target attribute. Okay, so I'm going to type in here space target. All right, so where it's going to go, it's going to go to the next page called _CIE. Okay, that is that for this one. Okay, so let me just save my changes. So let me, in fact, let me close this in the other side. Let me just copy this and then have it here. Okay, so I want the whole of this to be a hyperlink, that's CIE website, just for the sake of it. So it doesn't matter if you use only CIE. I just want to, like, change it a little bit. So I will save my changes and then go back, refresh my page first of all. Good. And then when I click here now, CIE website, when I click that, it will take me to a new tab and then still leave my tab. That's the new window. Still leave my tab here for me. Okay, so that's how you can do that. Now it's a situation whereby you don't use a target attribute. If you don't put target attribute, as you can see, it opened in the same as I tried earlier. It opened in the same window. But the thing is, some web browsers can open in different windows if you don't set the target. All right, so it depends. But when you set the target, it strictly takes it to either the same place or a different place. So for the next question, we're going to set the which one again? Okay, so the W3C is going to open in the same window. Okay, so we're going to use the target, but use _self this time around for it to open in the same window. So it's going to force it to always open in the same window. So we're going to use target here. Oh no, not this one. Where is it again? Yeah, this one. So I'm going to have target here, and then equals. Okay, I'm going to have _self. So that will force it to open in the same window for any browser it encounters. All right. So that is it. So I will just refresh that. So whenever you click on it, it will always open in the same window. Okay, so that is it for that. So if you have any question, please leave a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. I will see you in the next video. Bye.